Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we've got these three beautiful pieces of salmon here, and so we're going to go over here and put them in this EUSTIS Sous Vide Accu Slim here, and it's Instant Pot. Now the first thing I'm going to do is start filling this Instant Pot inner pot here up with water. And if I'm not mistaken, it takes about 16 cups to do that. I'll let you know. Okay, now I put 20 cups of water in here, and that brought it up to about halfway in between the minimum and the maximum mark on the Instant Pot Accu Slim here. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to set it at 100. I want 131 degrees. Just like that, and then you hit your, let me see if, yeah, you can see it there, alright, and then you go to this M right here, which is mode, you hit that, and then your time starts flashing, and I want 1 hour. Okay, and there we go. Now, you hit that little, looks like a play button on your computer or something, and it comes on that says, now this water is 71 degrees, so now it's going, and it's circulating already, but now it's going to take it for a while to get up to that 131 degrees. So in the meantime, we have got to get our fish ready here to go into the Instant Pot. And so to do that, I want to put some lemon on it, and so I'm going to cut up my lemon, and I'll be back. Now I should have told you, but I cut the ends off of this lemon off, both ends. And now we'll start just slicing it pretty thin here. Hopefully I won't hit my finger again like that. Well, close enough to 6 pieces there. So now we'll lay one piece on top of each of this fish, just like that. Okay, now we'll put a little patty of butter on top of each one of them. And now we'll get one of these bags here. We'll fold down the edges on it a little bit. And by the way, if you're curious, the water is up to 94 degrees now. Okay. Now if you turn your bag down like this, you can put stuff in there without getting it all over the outer edge of the bag. Let me see if I can pick this up like that. Slide him in. Like that. And I forgot one important ingredient that they say you need to do. And I've got to put some olive oil on it so it doesn't stick to the bag. But I've got an Evo sprayer. I'm gonna see if I can't spray some in that bag, and maybe it'll forgive me that way. Okay, now, next thing I'm going to do with this, I'm going to hold it pretty firm and turn it over. I know you can't see what I'm doing, I just realized that. Okay, I turned it over with what it had on it. So I can slide him over here for you. Okay, now I'm going to put another slice of lemon. After I put some oil on it. I'm going to put another slice of lemon on it after I get some oil on it here. Okay, now, put a slice of lemon on it. Like that, and then get me a little pat of butter here. And put on it. Now I'm going to tell you what's the truth right now. I saw somebody do this. His YouTube channel, I think, is Sous Vide everything, and I know it's not going to be as good as his because he said it just melts in your mouth. I know this is not going to be as good as his because he's really a pro at Sous Vide, but I want to see if I can't make this a close second to it. So now we'll set this one aside. And now, before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and spray these two with oil on this side. Oh, you can get under the lemon on this one. All right. Well, I'm thinking about, if y'all can, give us a thumb up to join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you people that watches our videos. It means so much to us. And I really mean that sincerely. And so now, by the way, my water's up to 107. Now, sliding this one in here is not going to be as easy as the last one because it's a longer piece. We're going to tempt it right here. There you go. Now keep on cleaning your hands when you do this because you don't want to get contaminated with anything. Alright, flip them over. I'll try to straighten that out a little bit. Yep, like that. Put another piece of lemon down in there. Push it back. Put another piece of pat of butter in it. All right, set that one aside for a minute. And now, you see, I already forgot to put any oil on the other side of that other one I just did. Probably just should have oiled the fish up real good to start with, but didn't think about it. And last but not least, now from what I understand, you can't put two pieces of fish or meat or whatever you're cooking in the same bag. They have to be separate. because I say it, well, it just don't work. So you need to put them in there, each individual piece. All right, now turn that over. There you can see a little bit better. We'll put this little sliver of lemon in here is what I got left out of it. Put another pat of butter in there and spray it a little bit with oil. We'll spray this one a little bit with oil that I forgot a while ago. Okay. Now I'm going to seal them up to get ready to go down in this Instant Pot with this Accu Sous Vide thing here. And by the way, the water's up to 123, so now I got to start hurrying. Okay, now I've got these back here at my chamber vacuum sealer, and you just put them in here like this. Now you don't have to seal them up like I'm sealing them up. You can use, from what I understand, you can use a Ziploc bag and use a straw and all that stuff to try to get the air out of it. But if you can, go ahead and seal them up. And so, we'll put that one in there. Okay, now I'll do this. I pressurize these things for 30 seconds. And I only seal them for a second, 0.2, and then let the air escape. And now we've got them all nice and sealed up, and they're going to stay like that right there, and we're going to put them down in that sous vide pot as soon as it water gets warm enough. Take the other one and do it the same way. While we're doing this, you got a second. Sometimes I think about all these people that's just starting their YouTube channel. You know, it's really hard to get started this day and time with a YouTube channel. For example, my daughter is starting a YouTube channel called not Around the House, but Living the Dream with Danielle, and you know, it's amazing what kind of videos she does and don't have many subscribers and all. So if y'all get a chance, go check it out. Living the Dream with Danielle. Okay, and here goes my second one. All right, we got one more here. Okay, so that's the end of that now. All these are sealed up. Now we're just waiting for that water to get to the right temperature. You got to turn off your machine and latch it back. Now we're back to the Instant Pot. Okay, now my water has come up to temperature. It's at 131, and I've already lost 2 minutes on it here, so we'll put them down in there. Put that one down in there. And we'll put that one down in there. See, that's the thing, if they're sealed up like this, they don't try to float. And as long as they're not floating, you're good to go down in there. So, make sure it's underwater. Yeah, it's underwater, my finger hurts. That's hot. Alright, now we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now it's down for less than a minute now, so we're going. The moment of truth is coming up here pretty quick. So we're going to see. I hope it's pretty good, because that's what I got planned for dinner. If it's not, I'm going to eat it anyway, I reckon. Well, we'll see in just a little while now whether it's going to be good or not. It looks good, I'll tell you that. Okay, it says done. And so I guess that's the end of it. So now, see if I can put it over here on this plate. I got a couple of paper towels on this plate, and we'll try to dry these off a little bit before I open them. Take my handy dandy scissors here. I'm going to take it over to, this is going to be Kay's plate, so if it's not good, she's going to get the first piece. That looks pretty good though. Let me get a fork. Okay, now we took that top piece of lemon off there and we put salt and pepper on it. I want you to look, see how that flakes off there? I know that's the best piece of salmon I've ever ate in my life. Okay, now this is Kay's plate. Now she's about ready to eat. She don't even want me to have this plate long enough to take this picture, but I got it anyway. I just want to tell you, this is what this is right here. This Southwest vegetable. So if you ever see that in the store, you might like it. Seems like it's going to be pretty good. And so till next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you come back and see us real good, real soon, and real good too. And if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Now I'm going to sit down and eat some of the best salmon I've ever tasted. Goodbye now.